As a casual YouTuber, sometimes I need to shoot an instruction video, and I need my hands to be free, both of them, in front of the camera. And so I came up with this BodyCam, sort of hands-free, and it's sort of removable, easy to remove and put back. It has a magnet in the back that will hold the phone in place, or you can hold it with rubber bands or masking tape or something like that. But it's good. I've shot actually parts of this video with it, which you will see. And it's nice and simple. It has a piece of cardboard here, or it can be iron, metal from a tin can. You can tape a magnet here. It's a fridge magnet actually, but it's a strong neodymium magnet, which is good. And on the back here, on the back of this cover, we have a piece of like a washer. This piece actually is a piece of iron, basically, which came with this stand. It's supposed to carry the phone this way, so we can use it as a stand. So we're just using this bit, and when you put it here, the magnet will hold it in place, and then you can wear it around your neck and shoot what you need to. And the best thing is to use the wide angle setting, so that you minimize the shake and you get everything within the picture. Or you can use washers like that. You can put them inside here, and then on the outside you can use a couple of magnets. So all you need is a couple of wire hangers and some tape and a piece of cardboard or anything you can cut out.